Hello students, let's continue class 9 max exercise 1.5 your set language. Your sixth question is, if a is equal to x and x is equal to 6n and n belongs to w and n is less than 6. So a is equal to what they given? N belongs to w. W means what? Whole number. Whole number is the number starts from 0. Therefore, first what you have to write? N is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Till 5 you have to write because n is less than 6. Okay. And then in the place of n, you have to substitute the value. That is x is equal to 6n. Therefore, n is equal to 0 means 6 into 0 is 0. Then n is equal to 1. 1 means 6 ones are 6. And n is equal to 2. 6 twos are 12. Then n is equal to 3. 6 threes are 18. Then n is equal to 4. 6 fours are 24. N is equal to 5. 6 fives are 30. Therefore, A is equal to, what is your answer? 6, 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Now, you have to find for B. Again, the B is given in the set builder form, right in the roster form. Here n belongs to n and n is greater than 2 and n is less than or equal to 9. So n is a natural number and n is greater than 2, n is less than or equal to 9. So what you will write? N is equal to, greater than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 you have to write because n is less than or equal to 9. So you can take till 9. And then what they given? X is equal to 2n. So in the place of n you have to substitute the value of 3. Therefore 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Then 2 fours are 8. Then 2 fives are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. Therefore, B is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Then your next one is C. If you see here, C is equal to x and x is equal to 3n and n belongs to n and n is greater than or less than 4, greater than or equal to 4 and n is less than 10. Therefore, n is belongs to n and n is greater than or equal to 4. Therefore, you can take 4, n is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9 you have to write because n is less than 10. So, you should not write the 10. So, what they given? Where x is equal to 3n. Therefore, in the place of n, write down, substitute the value of 3 into 4. That is 12. Then 3 5s are 15. 3 6 are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. Then 3 9s are 27. Therefore, your C is equal to 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, then 27. 7. What's your question now? Show that A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. So take and write down the A minus B union C is equal, intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. Okay. A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C. Now you have to take your left hand side. A minus B intersection C. Always you have to substitute the bracket first. Therefore, B union C intersection C is equal to, what is B value? 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. Intersection, and your C is 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Now, intersection means you know very well the number which is common to the both the sets. Therefore, here if you see 12 and 12 is common, then 18. So, 12 and 18. Now, A minus B intersection C. Take and write the value of A. That is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Then minus B intersection C, which is equal to 12 and 18. What is meant by minus? If any of the B intersection C is present in A, you have to cancel that number and write down the remaining number from A. So if you see here 12 and 18 is present, cancel that number and write the remaining 0, 6, 24 and 30. Now your right hand side is A minus B union A minus C. So RHS is equal to A minus B union A minus C. So what is the value of A? A is 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. Now your 8th question is, if A is equal to Y and Y is equal to A plus 1 by 2 and A belongs to W and A is less than or equal to 5. So here A belongs to W means whole number and which is less than or equal to 5. Therefore 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now Y is equal to A plus 1 by 2. So in the place of A, substitute the elements. 0 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Then 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Then 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Then 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2. If you cancel, 4 by 2 is 2. Then 4 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. 5 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Therefore, A is equal to 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2 and 3. Now the same way write the b. b is equal to y, where y is equal to n minus 1 by 2 and n belongs to w and n is less than 5. Therefore, n is equal to, w is a whole number you know very well. Therefore, it starts with the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to stop with the 4 because here n is equal to less than 5. Then y is equal to 2n minus 1 by 2. Here in the place of n substitute the value. So 2 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Then 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1s are 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Then 2 minus 1 by 2, just you are substituting the value of the set. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. Then 2 into 3 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 6 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2. And then 2 into 4 minus 1 by 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Therefore, your b is equal to minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, then 7 by 2. Now c is equal to, they itself given directly in the roster form, minus 1, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2. Now you have to, now here a minus, we have to show that a minus b union c is equal to a minus b intersection a minus c. So first you have to simplify the bracket, take the left hand side, a minus b union c. So if you simplify the bracket as first b union c, you have to find it out. B value is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, then 7 by 2. Union c is minus 1, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2 and 2. Union means together you have to write. So here minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. Now a minus b union c, which is equal to a value is 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, then 3. Minus b union c is minus 1 by 2 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2, 7 by 2. Now if any of the b union c element is present in a, means strike it out that element. Minus 1 by 2, then 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2. So the remaining element is only 3. This is your first equation. The next one is your right hand side, a minus b intersection a minus c. First we'll see a minus b. A value was 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2 and 3. Minus b value is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2, then 7 by 3. So if any of the element of B is present in A, strike out that element. 1 by 2, then 3 by 2, then 5 by 2. The remaining is 1, 2 and 3. Now A minus C, which is equal to A value is 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, 2, 5 by 2 and 3 minus C value is minus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, then minus 1, 1, 3 by 2 and then 2. So you have to see if any of the element of C is present in A, strike it out. 1 by 2, then 1, 3 by 2, 2. So the remaining is 5 by 2, 3. Now A minus B intersection A minus C. What is A minus B? 1, 2 and 3. Intersection A minus C is 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 3. So intersection means element which is common in both the set. If you see here, 3 is common. Now if you see from 1 and 2, A minus B union C is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C is verified. Next, your 9th question is verify A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C using the Venn diagram. So first take your left hand side. First find out the bracket B intersection C. B intersection C means, if you see here, if you take a circle of B and C, intersection means which is common to both. That is which is the overlapping region. If you take the circle, the overlapping region of B and C is called the intersection. Therefore, if you see the circle B and circle C is overlapping, intersecting in this region. So, B intersection C means which is common to both B and C. So, this region is common to both B and C. Next one is A minus B intersection C. Now, you have to shade the region of A, not the region of B intersection C. Therefore, so here A minus B intersection C, except this B intersection C, you have to shade the region of A. If you see, this is the circle, the region of A. Therefore, this region is intersecting of B and C. So, you should not shade in this region. The remaining region you can shade. Therefore, have you understood, students? A minus B intersection C means only you have to shade the region of A, not the region of B intersection C. If you see this figure, B intersection C means which is common to both B and C. This region is shaded. Except this region, you have to shade the region of A. Therefore, if you take the circle of A, if you see here, this region is B intersection. This is the region which comes under the B intersection C. Therefore, you have to leave this region and shade the remaining region of A. So, your next one is A minus B union A minus C. So, first one is A minus B. That means except B, you have to shade the region of A. So, if you take the circle of A, this region is common to A and B. So, you should not shade this region. Except this region, you have to shade the remaining region of A. Now next one is A minus C. Then take the circle of A and see to that which is a common. If you take the circle of A and circle of C, this region is common. So you should not shade this region. Except this region, you have to shade the remaining region. Now finally A minus B union A minus C. Union means together you have to shade. If you see the region of A minus B and A minus C, which is together you have to shade, means you have to see which are the region is shaded. That region you have to shade it. So if you see here, this region is shaded, and then here this one and this. So you have to shade all this three region, because union means together. Together means you have to see A minus B, which region is shaded, that region you have to mark it here, and A minus C, if you see here, again this region and this region. So mark this one and then shade that region. Now if you see, this is your second one. If you see the first one, that is your left hand side, A minus B intersection C, and your right hand side A minus B union A minus C, both are the same. So LHS is equal to RHS verified. A minus B intersection C is equal to A minus B union A minus C verified. Verify. Your 11th question, verify. Complement of A intersection B is equal to complement of A union complement of B using Venn diagram. So first you have to take the left hand side here, complement of A intersection B. First find out what is the A intersection B. A intersection B is the region which is common to both A and the B, that is overlapping region. So this is your A intersection B. Then complement of A intersection B is all the element of the universal set and not the element of A intersection B. So you should not shade the region of A intersection B. Except this region, you have to shade the remaining region. This is your left hand side. Now we'll see the right hand side. Complement of A. First we'll see what is complement of A. All the region of the universal but not the region of A. So except this region, except the region of A, that is the circle of A, you have to shade all the remaining region. So you should not shade the circle A. Then complement of B. Complement of B is except the circle B, you have to shade the remaining region. Now last one, complement of A union complement of B. So union means together. You have to see the both the figure, which area is shaded, you have to shade together in the complement of A union complement of B. If you see here in both the figure, only this region is not shaded. So except this region, you have to shade the remaining region. Now if you see the equation 1 and if you see the figure 1 and figure 2, both are same. Therefore, you can write A complement of A intersection B is equal to complement of A union complement of B. Complete all your worked out sums in your classwork note and do the homework sum. Thank you, student.